All right, TikTok, y'all ready for this? Check this out. So not only does the Wise vacuum cleaner do your house inside, but it also can do your car. I know, my car's dirty. It's my work vehicle. You see that little attachment right there? You can put that on too and get all your crevices inside your car. Instead of going to the car wash, now you can just do everything at home. It's a win-win situation. So if you want to cop it today, just follow that link below and purchase it.